Welcome! Some time ago I made this game, Pumpkin Man. Right now I'm working on the next project, which has not yet been announced. It will be an open structure detective kind of game in the Lovecraftian setting, but more about this later. So, Pumpkin Man. It didn't sell well, but I'm not gonna whine about this and just attempt to do something about that. I'm planning to release a demo, which I should do originally, but I just didn't have enough time. The demo will be released sometime before next Halloween, together with making the first discount for the game. Making a demo was a good opportunity to improve some stuff about the full game. Firstly, lighting requires quite some computing resources. I actually implemented a different lighting system, which looks a little worse but has much better performance, but it was hidden behind the setting inside the config file. Now this setting can be changed directly from the menu. Also, game on the first start will try to detect the best setting for given PC. An additional improvement is that previously only way to start a new game was to remove saves. Now option to start a new game is always there in the main menu. Next, moving to the demo itself. It will cover 8 of the 26 levels in the full game, and saves from the demo will transfer. I also added some screens which may result in some additional wishlist or sales. Like this open on Steam option in the menu and demo ending screen with links to Twitter and Discord, which by the way you can join right now. Not that you would like to probably, but you can. Moving on, licensing music for the games is quite a mess. For example, if you don't have an exclusive license, then YouTubers who post gameplay of your game can be and will be copyright struck. It's quite a bummer, but in the current scope of my operation, I unfortunately cannot afford to pay a professional composer. So, I came up with a plan to learn how to compose music myself. I even bought this MIDI controller last week. I will keep you updated on how this goes, but at this moment I know nothing about music production. This sounds pretty cool. Let's talk a little about the next game. Right now I'm in a very early stage of development. I have some sprites that helped me decide the desired sprite sizes for characters and color palette. I will probably use one created by Adam Siunis, but this can change. I also have some story written, or more of a concept for the story, but I'm a believer in making the story fit your gameplay, not the other way around, so I first need to figure out what all the core mechanics will be before moving to writing details. My goal right now is to create a demo as quickly as possible, but given that I'm guilty of trying to do as much as possible by myself, right now I'm working on custom sprite font text rendering. It might not look as much, but I'm pretty sure this will pay off, as I already can think about making stuff with this mechanism, which will be much harder with the standard monogame text rendering, which I used for Pumpkin Man. If you're really curious, I'm making this game with Zik plus SDL. That's all for now. I'll be back in 2 weeks with another bundle of updates for ya.